start with a quick introduction about yourself for our viewers in terms of your experience and domain.
Yeah, hi, good evening. So this is ChandraSekhar. So I have been working as DevOps Engineer from past 3.8 years. Yeah, that's my production experience.
Okay, and in which company are you working in?
I view a complex.
Okay, so is it possible for you to describe your journey in terms of content and instructor? Like if you have to rate them on scale of 1 to 5, how would you rate him? And what is your journey so far with us?
Yeah, actually till now I don't know about anything about the MLOps. So after joining in this class also I am getting somewhat knowledge. So by getting that knowledge, I am trying to interlink with the things we are doing in my daily work with the MLOps things. So for example, so actually in our daily life we will use the Jenkins pipelines. So I think before week the instructor has told about the airflow. So I have interlinked with these two things. So in our MLOps, so we will use the Airflow to do the automation tasks. So in our daily life, we will use the Jenkins. So by that, I am trying to interlink all the concepts and the things which is discussing in our MLOps space. So and he is also very good. He's trying to give his best.
Thank you so much for the review. And next question is like when you join a course, you will have certain doubts because it's a long course of 3 to 5 months per duration, depending on the match that you're opted for, right? So I would like to know if you have certain doubts, where those doubts get clarified. How is your experience in terms of doubts?
So actually, if I'm getting any note, so I will keep it in the note at the time of I am doing hands-on. So in the class, I will post all the doubts in the chat. So whenever the instructor has seen those doubts, so he is trying to convey all the doubts and clarifying those doubts.
Okay. And next question is, as a learner, when you join a course, you have certain doubts related to hands-on expertise or hands-on experience that you get, because learning something or a new skill is another thing, but practicing them is altogether a new scenario or new case that you will encounter that will happen in production, right? So I would like to understand in terms of practicing or in terms of real-time experience, how was your experience so far in terms of practical approach?
So he's giving some of the assignments in the class, and sometimes he's giving some assignment breaks in the meantime in the class also. At that time we are practicing. If anything we are missing, then we are asking in the next session.
Okay. So lastly, about the support that you need, like once you join the course, there will be certain support that you need from a support team as a mentor. So how was that for you for this MLOps course?
Yeah, it is also fine. So now if I get anything, so I am reaching out to Nikita, the instructor in the class.
Okay. And so if there is one message that you have to give to learners who are planning to join this MLOps course, what will be your message to them?
So I think our future is all collaborated with the AI. It's very intelligent shift to move to the MLOps.
All right. So thank you so much for doing this to us. It really means a lot. Thank you so much.